Suzuki B-King has a large wheel with a very standard Multistrada headlight. The large-sized Suzuki B-King combined with the Ducati Multistrada 1200 headlight is the untouchable work of a mechanic in Belarus. The detail that really impresses Motosaigon is the meticulous creativity of the craftsman when combining the massive body of the B-King and the headlight of the Ducati Multistrada 1200 in a very harmonious and balanced manner. With the goal of creating the most beautiful and exciting project ever based on the Suzuki B-King, I wanted to emphasize the bike's stability and power, says Vlad, project developer. I started customizing at the age of 17. I was interested in creating something out of the ordinary from an antique motorcycle that would make it look different from others, he added. One of the first things he changed on the B-King was the rear wheels. The rear wheel is made from two car wheels, and a Triumph Daytona 955 has a fairly large width of up to 13 inches. According to Motosaigon, normal motorcycle wheels are only 6 inches wide. This supersized wheel is large enough to fit a 330 size tire. And of course, the rear gripper must also be made separately to fit this huge set of wheels. The Belarusian craftsman also built the swing arm himself. One side by reusing the Honda CB1000R grip and combining it with the existing B-King grip. The dual exhaust system of the exhaust system has also been replaced by a single, sleek exhaust that matches the rear of the vehicle. As for the front end, the lighting system has been replaced with those of the Ducati Multistrada 1200, but Vlad has adjusted it to fit the B-King, and it not only fits, but also seems born is for each other. The bezel above the headlights is officially known as the Hayabusa front fender but has been cut to match the headlights. According to the Belarusian mechanic, although the car looks almost complete, it is still incomplete. There is still some small work to do, including an air duct above the fuel tank, some plastic side panels, indicator lights, tail lights and some other decals.